Here's how to solve this ACT problem faster using your TI-84. I'm Tina from my tutor. Let's jump in. Now, if 25 here might look a little confusing, and when it says if both x and this whole thing are positive integers, what is the least possible value of x? So I could actually just set these. I'm going to show you how to use the setting the variables in your calculator. So when I have just x, if I click this, when I hit enter, x is actually assigned a value. So to change that, so it says least possible value of x. So I'm going to start with 21. So I'm going to do 21 store to x. Now when I hit x, it actually equals 21. So watch how fast we can do this problem. So I'm going to type in, obviously these are all positive integers, so I don't need to worry about the x part. I need to worry about this fraction thing problem. So I'm going to write it out exactly like it looks. To get something so it looks like a fraction, I'm going to hit alpha and then the button right next to that. So I get the fraction, and we're going to do x over 3 plus x over 7 plus x over 9. Okay, so now when I hit enter, it's wherever it sees x, it's going to plug in 21 because that's what we set the value to. So here, 37 over 3 is not an integer. Fractions are not integers. So now I'm going to change the value of x to be 27. So now I'm going to do 27 store x. Now all I have to do is come up here, highlight this, hit enter to like copy paste, hit enter again, and I get the new value when x is 27. Still not an integer. So now let's do 36 store x. Come up and highlight again. Still a fraction. So we know the answer has to be D because the other three were wrong, but we could double check because it's the ACT and all. Come up, select it, and I get an integer, means 63 is the correct answer. If you want more TI-84 shortcuts for the ACT and SAT, don't forget to follow and check out the free TI-84 starter pack in my bio. Slay the day.